So we're going to do a quick MK20 build from the spotter. Easy and simple 26031B. RECCE team. Reconnaissance element. RECCE, RECCE, stands for reconnaissance element. Very cool. Again, very good tooling. You can actually pull the magazine out. A lot of times these things are stuck in other manufacturers' items and you pull and you break them. This one, real easy in and out. So let's just double check. Yeah, mold's just as good on the other one. So good stuff. Next thing, bolt. Oh yeah. Hoot nanny, who's your daddy? All right, so let's build this guy. Standard Picatinny Rail. Now, again, everything slides on easy. I'm telling you, that it's just so much better this way. And I say that, and then this doesn't slide on easy. So I'll have to see if I can do it like there. All right, so just in case you run into something that's not easy, I have a knife here, and I'm just going to show you what I do. Again, this is used at your own risk. Don't cut yourself. Don't let your kids play with this. I just go in, and where it normally grabs on, I just try to cut and shave a tiny bit. It's dangerous. Anyway, you can just see me shaving a tiny bit. There we go. So I'm going to leave the PEQ there. You can actually, oops, you can actually move it. Let's do this. Let's put on the NVG thermal. That's pretty sexy. Very cool. All right, so let's just do it up all, so it's all decked out. I'm going to put the PQ on one side. I'm going to put the light on the other. Again, this is a lot of shit on a rifle. You probably wouldn't set it up this way in real life unless you had really big muscles. Just set it up for the mission. Anyhow, pressure switch. Bipod. Oops. The bipod, real quick, let me just show you this. So, it is extendable. Just like the real thing. And it does fold up. So, pressure switch. Typically I try to hide the wires. Right now I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to actually set it up for you. We'll play hide the wires in a different, in a how-to video. You can see it just goes into the light. So the idea is you put your hand on it. This is a button, an on button, on and off switch. And you have two pressure switches, so you have two devices. You know what we're going to do? I'm going to put this on first. Just a little hole. The cool thing is that these fit right in. There's no modification necessary. Alright, so normally the wires would be tucked and hidden. Anyway, just for shits and giggles and build time, let's keep going. suppressor. You always want to be careful when you put these on so you don't break the tip. Anyway, that's set up. One more thing I want to show you, telescoping stock. You can see. Easy and simple, spotter MK20. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button below. Thank you.